Well, everybody, meet Cody. He's got to have attention. His mama's not here. It's Auto Club Speedway. Oh, I've done pretty good this week. iRating's starting to go back up.
Fun.
Safety rating's starting to go back up. But I haven't won a race this week, I don't think. I don't think I've won a race. Came close one time. Well, a few times actually, but last night I did really well. And then the last one I just did, I took second in, so I didn't record that one. Tennessee Volunteer, number 5 truck right beside us. We're running the IndianaDiesel.com. Young & Sons out of Indianapolis, Indiana. 317-263-0960. If you guys are looking for engine parts for diesel engines, looking for a whole engine, long block, short blocks, you name it, give us a call. 317-263-0960. If you're looking for a sim rig, got this right behind me here, GTRsimulator.com. If you're needing a new sim rig, can't afford a whole lot, this is a great sim rig. I've been running it for about 2.5, 3 years. Nothing's failed on it, nothing's broke. Seat works good. I'm loving every minute of it. So if you're needing that new sim rig, go check them out. That phone number is 888-9-GTR-SIM. It's GTRsimulator.com. Now that we got that out of the way, 25 laps, it's a sprint. Kind of. Most guys take off. I save for about 5-10 laps, somewhere right around there, depending on the competition, where I'm at on the track. You'll see me let a few guys go if they're hounding me. I'm not going to hold them up because I'm saving tires. Last race was a prime example of that. We ran 20 laps under green.
All right, man, we're going green next time.
And had a caution.
All right, man, line up on the inside row.
The last few laps I was taking
11
picking
car,
them up, putting them down.
11 car.
Just because they were wearing out their tires, you know. But a lot of tracks you can't use that strategy. You just got to go. You got to go as fast as the guy behind you and the guy in front of you.
What's going on, Vern?
Not much, man. How have you been?
I can't complain, man. You good?
Yeah, my iRating's starting to go back up. I like Auto Club. It's been good to me.
Cool. I ain't worth a shit here. I just hang on.
Oh yeah, 10-4 on that. Let's just put it this way, I haven't been crashed out that often.
Get ready.
He's gonna get a jump right here.
The pace car is in.
That's a good start.
Green, green, green. Let the pace car by. He had the position when the yellow flag came out. Outside. Stay low. Stay low. There's a car on the high side. You're clear high. Clear high.
So I'm probably gonna have to let this guy go because he's gonna get a good run.
You good, Zeke? I was gonna let you have it. Let's go.
Alright.
I have to.
You got one inside. Still there. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Next car is clear. You're in second. Still there. Clear low, clear low. Inside. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. All clear, all clear. Inside. Stay high. Still there. Hold your line. You're up top 3 wide. Hold your line. Hold your line. Inside. Too wide there. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. All clear, all clear.
You gotta hold your line, man.
I know. They got on me, my bad.
You got one outside. Still there? Hold your line. Stay low. Stay low. Still there. All clear, all clear. Good job, man. You're in fifth.
That was really tricky.
Man, my man up there in third place checked up on me and ended up getting thrust back into around Flunkyville.
Inside. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Still there? Hold your line. Still there? Hold your line. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Stay high.
Not doing too well on this one.
Still there. All clear, all clear. Got one outside. Stay low. Stay low. All clear, all clear.
Ooh, that's close.
Starting to push. Getting a little loose. I like messing with people on iRacing. Little subtle things, pit stops, stuff like that. You know, I've gotten people in a 50 lap race to pit halfway through and get lapped and not get their lap back. Well, they might get their lap back, but I tell them that a guy did it before, in the race before that, and he ended up winning the thing and won by a straightaway, and it was funny. Half of the field pits. It's hilarious. Looks like we got iRacing drunk in front of me. I'd be lucky to finish the top 10 on this one. That sucks. I don't know where I'm losing speed on this race. I mean, I know where I'm losing because I'm letting off and stuff like that. Normally I'm passing people by now. Not getting past. There we go. Now we're starting to pick it up, I think. Faster doing that.
You got one inside. Still there? Hold your line. All clear, all clear.
Getting my butt kicked. Waiting for people to start hitting the wall, but I think it's going to be me first.
Let me go with the line.
Push loose. Right, because I'm letting off so early, getting on it so hard. There you go. Start passing these guys back. Maybe get a top 5? Maybe? No.
Outside. Stay low, there's a car on the high side. Still there? Hold the line. Stay low.
past this
All
guy.
clear, all clear. Caution is out. Caution is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed.
no.
It's the 21 car. It's the 18 car. Past the 12 car.
Yeah, my fault.
Past the 22 car.
I tried to keep it off the track, too.
Past the 22 car. Past the 12 car.
I ain't pitting. There ain't no freaking way.
Yeah, good luck in there and over.
It's the 14 car.
Oh, that was crazy.
It's the 14 car.
That's going to be over. There's a lap down car. Too many laps to go. We won't get the 2 to groove.
It's the 14 car.
Is there a lap down car?
Pit road is now open.
Stay out. Stay out. Stay out. Stay out. Stay out. It's over. We'll get the... We won't even... Because there's a lap down car. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Probably got the 2 to go right now. Oh, I'm such a jerk.
5 laps to go. That's it, go! Line up single file. It's the 18 car.
That's weird. It said I had 11 seconds to prepare.
Yeah, you're gonna have a few laps.
It's the 4 car. It's the 18 car.
I can't believe people stayed out.
Oh, I'm just hoping that somebody has a miscue back here. Throws out another quick yellow. Works out
Alright,
for me.
man, we're going green
Yeah.
next time by.
And it
All right,
can
man,
happen
line up
very
on the
easily.
inside row.
Always
It's the
everybody's
4
right
car.
side.
Or I am the quick yellow.
And don't spin your tires up front. And then we'll all die.
I missed the start of the race, so figured I'd gamble. Don't finish in last anyway. Well,
Get ready. Alright, man. Race cars in. Green flag, green flag. Outside. Stay low. All clear, all clear. Go low. Outside. Still there? Hold your line. Stay low.
That guy had such a line, too.
Hold your line. You're in the top.
You see that bird?
Outside.
Yeah.
Too wide.
Yeah, I did.
Still there? Hold your line. Still there. You're clear high. Clear high. You got one inside.
Good wind water.
Still there? Hold your line. Still there? Hold your line. Stay high. Stay high. You're up top 3 wide. Inside, 2 wide there. All clear, all clear. Just got the white flag. That's 1 more left to go. You got 1 inside. Hold your line. You're clear high, clear high. 2 wide there. Stay high. You got 1 outside. Stay low. You're on the bottom 3 wide. You got 1 outside. 2 wide there. Still there. Stay low. All clear, all clear.
That was a crazy last couple laps, guys.
Nice run there, Bobby.
2 trucks in a row I didn't even touch, and yet apparently I got 4 exits.
Great job,
People
driver.
slamming- Jesus Christ.
Nice job, Co.
Well, they wrecked. They just wrecked too late.
Man, I might could have got to him if it wasn't for that momentum loss in that one corner.
Yeah, we ran up on them cars with them no tires.
Nice win, dude.
I took 2 and with no fuel, this bad boy was loosened up.
Where'd you finish at?
Got it up to 5th.
10-4. Someone did that the last race and did actually not too bad. Finished 3rd.
No tires took me from last place to 12th.
You mean 1st place to 12th?
The race is over.
I was 3rd.
That's not too bad.
Got forward. Good job, guys. That's the best one I've been in all day.
Yeah, it's fun, Bobby. You had that in. You definitely had better fight than I did in there.
But when you're in the back, you can't do everything that the leaders do, so.
Yeah, I've been starting in the back all day. Finally, I decided to qualify.
Got a huge run right here. Was it right here? Yeah. This is where I started picking them off. Doesn't cause the caution.
Yeah, I knew I was going to be slower than everybody with tires, so I just got to stay out of everybody's way, not holding anybody up. hoping for
Lost a
quick
lot of
caution.
momentum
It did
there.
happen. Oh yeah.
Hey, it just made it interesting at the end.
Oh yeah, all them guys with 4 tires and 2 tires, they had to go by 3 people with no tires. They wasn't just going to drive by. I'm glad that's pretty up front that those on no tires didn't spin on the restart.
Oh, it's squeezing it. Look at that. Oh, damn. 16.
Good race, everybody.
Wow. That was a pretty good race. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like the video.